John Phillips, I love what he said here. It's inevitable. When a person turns his back upon the truth, he automatically embraces a lie. Romans 1. Romans 1, 18 and 19. The wrath of God is revealed from heaven against all ungodliness and unrighteousness of men, who by their unrighteousness suppress the truth. For what can be known about God is plain to them because God has shown it to them. Somebody tell me, what is a cough suppressant? What's a cough suppressant? It's a medicine that you take to try to what? Stop or hold down or push away your cough. Suppress. The Bible never says that God does not give truth to people and they're innocently lost. Never says that. It says God's wrath is coming upon people who, because of their unrighteousness, because of their love of sin, they hold back the truth. Now, you only take a cough suppressant if you have a cough. You with me? Who takes a cough suppressant if you don't have a cough? You don't need one. Who suppresses the truth? Unless there is truth. People who love unrighteousness feel a need to push back the truth because we know we're guilty.